Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to design the product page. We're not going to do that from the scratch. So we're going to duplicate one of the page that has the list of products, then make some changes. So let's navigate back to the dashboard. So make a copy of the dashboard and take it to the other side. And we're going to keep it here. Now let's update this to product page and make some changes. Now detach this frame and delete it, and also detach the transaction history page, and also detach the transaction section and delete it out. Select the quick action text and delete it. Now we're going to make use of this section. We take it up a bit. So let's navigate back to our last screen and copy this section alone, Alt key, and drag it to your frame. Now we're going to update the text that is here. So change the transaction to product. And delete the filter text. So you can ungroup them first and delete only the filter text. So select the product text and make sure you align it to the center of the frame. This way we are done with that. So let's turn off the grid and view some things. Alright, now select the cards. We're going to update the background fill of the card. So select the first card and change the fill to, let's remove the current fill. Then we change the fill to this green. So the color code is A1E2EA. That is the color code. So select the second frame and also remove the current color. Then update the color to this orange. The color code for the orange is also E18733. Go to the third frame, detach the current color, and also update it to this color. So the color code is also 0047B3. And the last one, we're going to detach the current fill also and leave it white as it is. So now what you are going to do is select the main page and change the fill to this. Alright, then this last frame, we're going to change the fill back to height so that it will be like this. So now you can take it up a bit. Select the first frame and the second frame and distribute their vertical spacing to 15. So you can now group them together and make sure they are centered, aligned. So one thing now disappeared there, so we're going to bring it from the other frame, which is a chart icon. So let's make a copy of this chart icon and bring it to this page. and keep it somewhere around there, and make sure you align it to the center of the frame. So let's preview to see the final result. So your final result should be like this. So we are done with the product page. The next lecture we are going to go back to the dashboard and design the overlay page for the menu and all that. See you in the next lecture.